Hi, I'm going to teach you to make a paper plate pocket like this one. You don't need to copy this one exactly, but I'm going to teach you to make the design. First, cut your paper plate in half. Here I already cut it in half. Then put the pieces together, top side in. Then staple the pieces together. Staple at these ends first, as I'm doing. It's okay if you mess up. Try again. It helps if you press harder. Try to make the hole small so you can put small things in. When you're done, you should have something that looks like this. Now you have completed the pocket. You can put the designs on. But I'm not going to teach you to make the designs. You can put animals, draw pictures, or you could just leave it blank. Bye!